Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact support in Bandlab app. Bandlab is more than just music making app, and it is a creative hub for recording, mixing and sharing your music. Like any complex platform, sometimes users may face technical issues, account problems or need guidance about features, and that's where Bandlab support comes in. The support team is designed to help you resolve issues quickly so you can focus on making music. First, open any of the browser you prefer. At the top there's an address bar, type down bandlab.com, enter it and make sure to log into your account if you already have not so. And in order to contact support from the Bandlab, you need to click onto this profile icon in the top right. Over here we can find this help icon just below the logout. Click onto this help. Under this help, what you can do is you can find all of this FAQ, frequently asked question, under the accounts creation, trust and safety over here. And over here you need to scroll a bit down until you find this popular articles as well. You can simply submit a request in the top right. Over here you need to choose your issue, and over here type down the platform as well, and type down your operating system, type up the issue and select the small icon and type down your descriptions. And if you have any attachments, you can also add or drop files here and you can submit it. And that is it. This is how you can contact support on Bandlab. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.